Yo, ebiamo. Isaia no bi akon. Ene AKUBA la bi adwa de bi ezukala ni azo. Moti ene yara bi ania ejonboke anake de murimiemo. Was robo AKUBA la bo modan oti ene ya bi ania de murimiemo mo AKUBA bahra ahala. In the first place, go and sleep. How would you say it in NZEMA?
I don't know. You just told me, but I forgot.
It's a kola.
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 Kolat.
No, you don't. Did you hear it when I said it? Kola.
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 What's the meaning?
Go to sleep.
Yeah, go to sleep.
Yeah.
All right. Then wake up. How would you say wake up?
No.
Drazzle.
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 Yeah.
I like that one. Drazzle.
Drazzle. That means wake up.
Wake up. Drazzle.
Or when you sit it down and somebody want you to get up.
You say drazzle.
Yeah. They will also tell you to get up. Like they say,
that.
yeah. So it means something. You we use that for
multiple things.
Yes.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
When somebody tells you drazzle, it's either you're sitting down and the person want you to get up, or you're sleeping and the person want you to wake up. Yeah. So drazzle.
Drazzle.
Okay. How would you say I'm eating? Melody arie.
Madi ladie.
Melody. Melody.
Melidi.
Alie.
Alie.
Alie means food.
Food. Alie.
Alie, yeah.
Yeah, alie.
Then I'm eating.
I'm eating.
I'm eating means melody.
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 Yeah, melody.
Alie.
Alie.
Yeah. Would you say that one more time?
No.
Melody.
Melady alliate.
Good job. That's what I want you to do, man. Okay. You're doing a good job.
Thank you.
You want to say that one again?
No.
Come on, you forgot. I know that. Melody.
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 Alie.
Alie.
Melody alie.
Melody alie.
So anytime you get a food and you want to announce to people or you want people to know that you're eating, you just tell them Melody alie. Melody alie.
Melody alie.
Yeah, Melody alie. So that is it. I think this is enough for today, right?
Yeah.
Or you want to let one more thing before? Okay.
Multimedia
ma. Kiya baba. AKUBA nzo mezukala ni yabiezi. Abedi mdike enye soza haji meleni imoti esakan ya bombadike bashe na AKUBA no kon anye lieke obezuka nzimane boko. Nyawejira beko setin sumani ala.